Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I'm so excited for another one of these videos. I thought I would do a faves and finds kind of video of everything that I bought and that I found on Amazon last month. So I'm gonna get right into it and I hope that you love these as much as I do. So the first thing that I found was this thick vellum. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. For those of you who don't know what vellum is, it's basically this kind of see-through-ish type paper, and people in the planner community kind of use it to print dashboards and whatnot. You can also make dividers with these. I know Salty 22, I think it is, and even Cloth and Paper and whatnot, they use like thick vellum material to make dividers and whatnot. Anyway, so I was looking for something that was thicker because I've used like vellum obviously in the past, but it was really thin. And I find it difficult to find this type of thick vellum. And then I came across this after some searching and it is amazing. So it's letter size, it's by Olympia. I'll link everything down below, by the way, so you guys can find the exact one. But this one is 167 GSM. And I don't know if you can tell, but it's very thick. It's probably a bit hard to tell, but it's extremely thick and it's really good quality. So I'm really excited about this find. So if you guys were looking for vellum, this is perfect. I'm so excited to print my dashboards on these, and I'm thinking about making dividers with these as well because I want to make them for my pocket and I don't want it to be too thick to take up too much room. So I think this will be great. So excited about this find. Okay, so then the next one is also paper related, and it is this linen cardstock. Now it's probably going to be a bit hard for me to show you guys on camera, but I'll try my best. Can you see the texture? Oh my gosh, I think you can see it. And I've been looking for linen paper for a long time. Again, you would use this to print dashboards. You could use this for like card making and whatnot. That's probably what crafters would do, but look how beautiful that is. And it comes in this like generic white package and white box. So I can't remember the brand, but I'm so excited I found this. It's quite thick, if you can tell. So this is gonna be amazing. I think it'll just like really level up those dashboards that you want, like that you love and you want to keep for a long time. And the linen texture is just so beautiful. So that was the next find. Okay, so the next thing after that I saw, and I was just trying to like stash up for the year because I was going through all these notebooks and deciding what I wanted to use. Anyways, so it's the half-year Stalagies. And I saw that I think they were on sale last month. I don't know if they're still on sale, but like I noticed today when I even looked it up, they were quite cheap, but it just didn't say that it was on sale. It's only $13 on Amazon, and it's the half-year A5 Stalagies. And I find the half-year ones are usually like, at least in Canada, they're about the same price as the full year ones. When I saw that they were like quite inexpensive, I got a bunch of those. So for those of you guys who love Stalagy, you guys should stock up. And for those of you who don't know what Stalagy are, it's basically notebooks, and they have them in A5, A6 size, I think B5 as well, like the bigger one. And it's really amazing paper. It's not Tomoe River paper. It's a bit thicker, but it handles watercolor. It handles a whole bunch of types of pens really well. It's very smooth, but it's definitely a bit thicker. It does get kind of crinkly as well once you start using it, but a lot of people in the planner community love this paper. And so actually I'm showing you here the 365 one, but the half-year one is obviously just half of this one. So it's a great one to try as well for I think $13. Again, I'll link them down below. So stash up on those. And I didn't notice if they were cheaper in the other sizes, like A6 has half years too, but I only saw that for the A5 ones they were kind of cheap. So anyways, I don't know, you can check it out. Okay, so the next thing that I have, if you guys follow me on Instagram or whatever, you guys will have seen this, and it is my Moterm Pocket Luxe. And it's so funny because I used to have one in white and a croc, and I sold them because I was like, oh, I don't like the Luxe shape, blah, 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 blah. And then I ended up repurchasing one. But it's okay, because this one is like the version 2 leather or whatever, and I don't know, I love it. It's not the Veg Tan, the newest one that's like, you know, the top of the line leather or whatever. Not top of the line, but like the top grade leather, but I still love this one just as much. I think it smells like leather. I love it. So this one is on Amazon. Not all of the Moterm planners are on Amazon, but this one is. For those of you who don't know, I got the Luxe because I wanted to use Pocket Plus inserts, and so I switched it out to 25mm rings, and these fit the Pocket Lux inserts, Pocket Lux, Pocket XL inserts perfectly, and I can even fit in like a Moleskine notebook here and another traveler's notebook in the back. So it fits so much. It has the big back pocket. I mean, you guys have probably seen this. And then of course I like use this kind of as a wallet combo because it fits my cards. It has a spot for coins. It's perfect. So love that. And it comes so quickly when it's on Amazon instead of getting it from AliExpress or whatever. So Amazon's always my go-to place. So love that, of course. And then the other thing that I had in there is this Moleskine Weekly. So I actually bought this last year, but I want to include this in the video because I saw it on Amazon. And I got the 18-month one that starts from 2022 in July and it goes to the end of 2023. But they have this in just the 2023 version of the weeklies. So I know we kind of started the year now, but that's why it's kind of inexpensive now to like buy it, and you only like skipped a couple days, so you could always back plan those few days if you really wanted to. Because it ships so fast, it doesn't really matter. You maybe will lose a week or two, who cares, right? And I love it because it fits perfectly in this pocket. And I've just been loving carrying this around. It's so compact, it fits everything. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you probably see me gushing over this recently. Yeah, so I've been loving that little combo, so I thought I would show you both of those. So the next thing that I have on my list, you guys will have seen, I just got a bunch of these replacement. It comes in a little pack of 2, but this is for the trimmer, the paper trimmer from Fiskers that I've literally shown 8 million times. So that's the trimmer, the precision trimmer that I love for cutting printables. And of course, this is just the replacement blade that I got, and it comes in a pack of 2. So I ordered 2 more of those, and they just fit in here like that really easily. So love those. Needed to replace that. That's kind of a quick and easy replacement one. And then I had a couple things that I didn't actually buy yet, but I saw were on sale and I wanted to show you. So I'll show you like the picture of them on a screenshot of them here. So one is these whole like pack of stickers, and they were 30% off. And I saw there was just so much stuff in here. And for day to day, like, I love these kind of stickers because I don't worry about like, you know, hoarding them or whatever, because they are more inexpensive, but they're still really cute and make like your daily spreads look really cute. So I just really like these, and 30% off for so many. So I thought I would grab one of those. And then this other thing, the next thing that I saw was these covers, and they're by a brand called like Felicity or something, 7 Felicity. And what drew me is this beautiful ostrich one, this green ostrich one. And I asked on Instagram if some of you guys have bought this brand or tried out this brand, and a couple of you guys have. You guys have said that it's not as good as Moterm, but you guys loved it or bought it because they have the ostrich print, which Moterm doesn't have anymore. And for the price, I think like they look like a really good deal. So I really want to show you guys those because they're so beautiful, and they do have like a croc style one too. And then as well as this yellow croco one that, I don't know, the print just looks a bit different from Moterm. So I wanted to show you guys that one in case you were interested in a cover a little bit different from Moterm. And then for my TN people, TN lovers, I found this really inexpensive traveler's notebook cover with this pocket at the front. And I thought this was just so functional to put in like your pens in the front, or put in your phone even when you're carrying it around. You guys saw my last video. I was kind of playing around with the TN cover that I got with the iPad in the back. And so it got me kind of looking at TNs, and I thought this one was so beautiful. It's in this like brown, really nice brown color that looks like it would get those nice scratches on it. So this one I think is an A5 size. So I thought I would share with you because it's so inexpensive. If anybody has tried this out, please let me know down below. But this looks amazing. So those were the couple of things that I saw on Amazon that I haven't ordered yet, but I wanted to share some of my finds, I guess. Okay. And then next couple of things, I think I have 4 things that aren't exactly planner related, but I thought I would just share them with you because I love them. And I bought them last month. Okay, so the first thing is this little tripod for your phone. So for those of you guys who are filming or taking pictures on Instagram or, you know, YouTube videos or whatever, and need like a little tripod for your phone, I just wanted to get another one. So this is what it looks like, and it just holds my phone perfectly. It's really sturdy. You can bend the legs whichever way you want. So technically it can like grip around a pole or whatever. So been loving that. It was really inexpensive for the quality of it. I really love it. Thought I would get that. And this twists around so you could film vertically or horizontal. It shifts around like this. And yeah, love that. And it also comes with like, oh my gosh, whatever you call this, so that you can wirelessly control your device, your phone. And then it came with this one, which I think is for GoPros. I remember using this a long time ago with my GoPro because this attaches to the bottom of a GoPro case. I don't know if anybody has a GoPro, but that's that. I don't think I'll ever use that because I never use my GoPro anymore. But anyways, yeah, this was such a good little device, and you can like hold it to take selfies just to add a little more length. And I love this. So thought I would show you that. Okay, what's next? Oh, this one is super random, but I wanted to show you because I've reordered this a million times. For anybody who is looking for a makeup remover, this is the Heimish All Clean Balm, and it's basically like, as it's called, a balm to remove your makeup. And you have to be doing, like, basically use this to do like a two-step cleaning process, which is you take a scoop of this, put it on your hand and rub it and add a little bit of water and then rub off your makeup first. Then you'll use your cleanser afterwards and then wash your face as well. And this just like really clears out all of your makeup. If anybody uses the Clinique All Day Balm or whatever, this is very similar to it. And the Clinique one is like like double the price, I think, or possibly triple the price for how much you get. So I've been using this for quite a while. This is like my 10th replacement of this or whatever. So I thought I would show you that. Okay, so the second last thing that I wanted to show you is this mirror, it's not a mirror, this light, and it's called the Verilux Happy Light. So let me just turn it on by this little button. And it has different settings. You can make it brighter or dimmer. And those of you who don't know what this is basically a light for the winter time. They called it like a SAD lamp. SAD stands for seasonal affective disorder, but you don't have to have the disorder. But basically the concept is like in the winter time, it gets really dark and you don't see as much light during the day. And so your mood kind of gets affected. And mine has like for many years now. And so I just find this really helps. It just sits on my desk and I just turn it on every day. Like, you know, when I start working at the beginning of the day, when I'm about to start working, I turn this on just to have a little bit of extra sunlight, I guess. So for those of you guys who are going through winter or who like find it hard when there's not as like bright days and you don't get as much sun, I highly recommend one of those because I used to, and I still do a little bit, definitely get impacted in the winter and feel a little bit sad and dreary. So I love using that. It's super easy and it doesn't hurt you, so why not? So the very last thing I wanted to show you is kind of random, but are these silk flowers from Amazon. And look at this little bouquet. Look how beautiful that is. So because it's like dead of winter and like it's cold and dreary, I was like, I need something to like, you know, brighten my life up a little bit. And it's hard to find like flowers, fake flowers that don't look super fake. And yeah, so I gave these a shot because I knew I could return them. And look how beautiful they are. And they're like such a pretty color. So yeah, I thought I would just show you to kind of start off your new year in like colorful, in a colorful and happy mood. Maybe these would help you guys as well. So that was just the last thing I wanted to show you guys, and that is it for this video. If there's anything else you guys wanted to see, if you guys like this type of video, maybe I'll think about doing this monthly for you guys. And let me know down below if there was any finds that you found this past month, because we all love a good Amazon deal. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!